Hey guys, we're back with another unboxing today, and this one's a bit different where it's a carry-on luggage, and I've actually never unboxed carry-on before, and it's a special one because it's the off-white AC Milan collection. So let's go ahead and open it. So I've already taken a knife and opened up the side just to not damage it. I don't want to hit the carry-on, but they have an extra layer of cardboard here. Here's the actual luggage. Okay, so here's the actual thing. It's like it's got a extra casing on it. But let's see what else is inside here. This was a box, by the way. Looks like it is a return label, but we won't be returning this because it's sold out everywhere. You can't get this. Cool. Okay. I really don't want to damage this, so. Although it will get damaged when it's on the planes and whatnot. All right, let's just rip this open instead of using the knife. So, yeah, plastic covering is gone. I think we can throw this out. It came with one of the gels crash. So it's got another layer of wrapping. Off-White's really thorough with the packaging. Anyways, here it says AC Milan cabin luggage. Sorry. Over here, just not sure how we take this off actually. Oh, it's like a string cover almost. It's a ring, and here we're opening it this way. It's got a nice new luggage smell to it. Oh, here it is. So yeah, it's a transparent suitcase. It just says Off-White here on the bottom. It says uniform right here. Pretty standard. I don't know what else I can add here. There's a little lock here. So let's go ahead and really open this up. It's a transparent suitcase. Man, crazy. So basically there's a mechanism right here. It says puller on the little things. You can really I'll actually show you guys. Put these here, then you click that and it unlocks, which is brilliant. Let's go. says TSA travel accepted. Here's what the insides look like. And put this phone back here. So it has two kind of zipper pockets lined up on each side. So my old carry-on only had the one. So I guess the thing with like the two zipper pockets, you can close it in for either side and lock it all back up. There's some paperwork. It says a TSA approved for carrying. So what we have here, it's an accessories card. To tell you how to work the locks. Cool. And I mean, there should be some stickers here somewhere, but you know, I'm sure I'll find it. But anyways, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.